What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to install the brand new Harley Davidson Dominion rear and side view mirrors in the bronze, baby. And it's a motorcycle, so they're your rear and side view mirrors. As an owner of a Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114 with those bronze upswept pipes, I decided to go ahead and install the bronze Dominion handlebar grips, which match those pipes. And also, we're going to add these mirrors. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 13mm wrench and I'm going to remove the old mirror. It's kind of lefty-loosey here, just a couple of turns and that thing's already loose. That light's going to hang right there a little bit, and we're going to just remove the old one. And we're going to take that Dominion bronze one and we're going to shove it in there. Now at the bottom, you're going to have a washer that has some teeth, and then you're going to have just a regular flat washer, and then you're going to screw in your bolt. So first you're going to take your flat washer and you're just going to stick that on there. Then you're going to take your washer with the teeth and you're going to follow that one. You're going to reattach your lights. Okay, someone decided to be pressure washing over there. And you're going to take your bolt and you're going to attach that. First you want to get it on there, then you want to position your mirror in the place that you want it. And then you're going to take a 13mm wrench and you're going to tighten it down. Make sure that's flush in the position that you want. And you don't want to over tighten. So right there is about good for me. There it is. Next, you're going to go to the other side and repeat. And there is the final product. Okay guys, that will do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, do your boy a favor, hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button if you like motorcycle content. And until next time, peace up, 2 wheels down, and I'll see y'all in the next video.